Morning, guys. It's a great morning this morning. It's a Monday morning. This video probably won't get dropped today, but I'm doing it now. Anyhow, it's a beautiful morning. I'm here, leaving the house now. I'm heading over. I'm going on the road to get some stuff done. I'm heading over to the salon shortly. I have a TV mount to put up, so I'm gonna get that done today. They have a client right now, so they're gonna be finished up about 1 o'clock today. So I'll go there afterwards and go do the TV and clean up at the same time. And on Mondays there's not much people working in there, because Mondays people just don't, get stuff done on Mondays for some reason. They take off on Mondays. So yeah, I'm here. As you can tell, we finished up the van right there. It's all ready to go, ready to hit the road. When I get back, I'm gonna show you the inside, what we did to it. We got it insulated, we got the refrigerators, all that. I'm gonna show it to you. We did a little bit of tricks inside there, a few little creature comfort stuff inside here. So I'm gonna show it to you all what I did to that van to get it ready. See, even the neighbors got one over there. They use it. They don't use it for expediting though. We use these for expediting. So I'm gonna go ahead on the road real quick, take care of some errands, and then head back, show you what's going on here, and then head over to the salon. I'm gonna probably go over to the salon after, because I know they ain't ready yet. So they ain't finished yet. It's just 11 o'clock. So let me head out and go over there. So yeah, as I say, it's a beautiful morning. I haven't been posting, guys. I haven't been posting much content from the other day, and the reason for that is I was just working on this van every day for the past 3 days. I've been working on the van over there, so it's been just all day, every day. I did some footage of me working on it inside there, but I was just not able to be vlogging all day. I'm just concerned about trying to get that van done. We wanted to get it done in 2 days. It took us 3 days. It was real cold the other day while we were working on it. It did cold in the night time. Soon as the sun goes down, it gets super cold. It's uncomfortable. So that's how it is. Now it's nice and warm again. No jacket needed. But the 3 days we worked on it, it was windy and cold, and so it kind of slowed down the process a little bit. But we got through it. We get it done. It's ready to go on the road now. We just need to, with the dispatchers, we have to, get a few things registered with them and stuff. Get it out on the road. So, that will be out shortly, in another week or two, maybe another week. Hopefully by next week it can head out. Anyhow, as far as the Peppaz project, guys, Peppaz project coming along. The guys doing the plumbing and everything. They got most of the plumbing done. And good news on our part, we get all the permits needed to get this job done. So all the permits has been granted. We were waiting on just one little section of it, the AC section. So the building official looked it over, and they issued our permit, the final permit. We had gotten the permit for the grease trap. You've seen that part probably by the time this video gets out. So we had gotten the permit for the grease trap. They did the grease trap, got it done in like a day or two, got it back in the ground, got it inspected, got it passed. So now they just got to cover it up, pretty much, get it covered. So now all I got to focus on now is the inside. So the burden have been lifted, guys, on the outside, because that was a big project. We had to dig a big hole in the ground in the gas station to get it, get the grease trap in there. So that was a big undertaking to get that done. So that weight has been lifted. The major part of it is already done. So the inside now, it's still major, but I have to go just get the plumbing inspected and passed. Once we get the plumbing inspected and passed, them can cover up the ground. Once them cover up the ground, then we can move forward and start putting in walls. So I'm trying to get that done. Now it's almost the end of November, guys, so I try to get that done at least by, you know, the beginning of December. By next week, I try to get all that done. That way we can start put up walls as early as December. As soon as December start, we can start put up walls inside the place. Once we start putting up walls, then we can put up the tiling, you know, stuff like that. So it's in stages. We have to get this thing inspected as we go along. And remember now, we're going to have a long holiday here, a couple days off this week, Thanksgiving here in America, and then you're going to have Christmas break, that ending part of Christmas. You're going to have week in December, we're going to have Christmas break. So anything after the 23rd, 24th, that's it. There's no work going to be going on that weekend. And then, you know, of course, January 1st is the same thing, though, you know, a couple days right there, people going to be off again. So it kind of, you know, messing with our thing, but, you know, it is what it is. We have to just do what we have to go do. And we have to just do what we have to do and get it done in between. But bear in mind, no work going to get done at least 1 week in December and that week in January, when you know, most people are going to take off. So I have to try to hurry up in between those time and get this build done. Because remember now, we're trying to shoot for about March. We're trying to shoot for March. So hopefully we can get everything done by then, you know. So yeah, man. So, you know, we'll try get it done. You know what I say? We'll try get everything done. It's a lot of work, guys, but we'll try get everything done. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go head over. I'm gonna go Walmart real quick. I'm gonna pick up some at Walmart. Head over to the bank, and then I'm gonna head back to the house. Do some editing, and then once I do them editing, then I'm gonna head, once the client is finished over by the salon, I head over there, put up the TV real quick, and then I can go over to the Peppaz project. I'm supposed to meet with the plumbers over there. They're gonna try, you know, strategize the next move, meaning they have to get that plumbing up to where it's ready for inspection, and then once it's ready for inspection, I'm gonna schedule that inspection. So I'm gonna try to get all of that, you know, organized the way that we can find out when we can schedule inspection. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're on it. I go make a stop real quick and then move on to the next. Today going to be a busy day. We have a lot to do, so go on, stay tuned and watch what go on. Alright, guys, so we're back up here at the Peppaz project. We haven't done anything as yet. Hold on, let me turn this thing on. Active track, yeah, so we haven't done anything else yet, as far as the, you know, covering up. We got the final permit we needed for the AC, so now we could go ahead and schedule an inspection for these pipes right here. They still have the vent tubes to hook up, so once they hook up the vent tube and then hook up this vent tube right here, there's a vent tube they need to hook up right there. Once they get that done, then we could schedule an inspection, and then once they schedule the inspection, we could remove all of this and get all of this out. They're gonna cement the floors, but we can't cement the floors until the inspector comes out and pass the plumbing. So once they pass the plumbing, they pressurize the pipes. If you notice, they pressurize the pipes right here, that orange thing right there. So once they get that done, then we could start covering the floors. And then once they cover the floors, we could run the walls. Once we run the walls, then we could do the tiles, and hopefully we could knock that out in a pretty quick time. So as I said, they finished the outside. You notice they finished the grease trap on the outside. Sun is bright out here, so you might not see it. But they finished the grease trap on the outside, and then on the inside they finished running all the pipes, toilet pipes, plumbing that goes up, water lines, all of that. It's done. So they just have a few little attachments, you know, the vent tube attachments to be done, and then a vent tube over there. So stay tuned. May I wait for the plumber. May I go through with him and figure out what's next in terms of getting the plumbing finished up, so we could schedule that appointment to get it inspected, and then from there I'm going to figure out how much cement they're gonna need. May have a virgin, we have a cement company, so maybe he don't have to mix any cement to cover this. We could just get a truck to come and drop it. So we'll see in terms of what they need. So give me a few guys, me go wait on him and sort out some business and then go from there. Alright guys, so I never filmed me putting up the TV. You guys see me put up a lot of TV. So I had this TV right here to put up. I mounted it real quick. It's a flat TV mount. I just mounted it behind there and put it up, plug it in, and then she had a Bluetooth speaker. We just put the Bluetooth speaker behind the picture right there. So that's what it looks like that. TV mounted. Good to go. They just need to sign in, set it up and sign in from here. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna move on to the next. I think now close this vlog out for the night. There's not much else to do.